because your cousin was.
Have you ever heard stories about the head of the agency being a part of a drug and human trafficking ring?
Oh yeah. One Miranda Suarez, aka Fist.
But I'm not the head, Agent B.
Let me tell you what mean. The agency have different heads for different regions. So you have to be a little bit more specific.
So if you know that the head of your agency is clean, then you'd allow me to do my job.
And what exactly is your job, Miranda Suarez?
Maybe one day you'll figure it out. But for now, adios, Agent B.
No sign now, boss.
It's gonna be a hard find. She know over here so like the back of her hand, you know. Over here so she grew up before them take her.
So that means there are chances that she'll have watch it.
Best believe that.
What's the next move?
For some reason, I feel like I'm gonna hear from her again. Cause it sound like she's on a mission.
Yep.
This not good on.
No, I know. Look like something proper here.
Look at me, I have to go buy one drain or we get a plumber to come deal with this. So you have a school?
No, I know. I have one training session for the evening.
Okay. You know, said too much black pepper, not good for man, right?
First I hear that. Where you do?
It clog up your pee-pee hole.
Tonian, what kind of whole business you come talk to me about? Which hole you come talk about?
Hello, you have a hole at the top of your penis. You never know that?
Yeah. But I like how you say it, man.
You know, there's something really wrong with that generation, yeah. Want me to know?
Yeah. I mash up that for you, you see me?
Alright, you go eat.
I consume some food. You do that for spite, you know.
Youngsters.
Brother, 2 weeks now, I don't hear from you, you know. What go on with them, man?
Why you don't say look like Murphy for link me though. Everything we can up my right now, you know.
Need to hear from you, man. You take too long with the thing, man. Need to send on some funds from the man them right now, you know. Where you going with you? You move too slow.
Yeah man, I'm be a man and link my man because you tell me to my son. He needs to get some blood. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I know what my mom you see. But you never need to show me.
Yeah, son of that me do, man, but me think say they deal with that already. Re your baby mother. And how you know say you're a picnic?
Why I go there you know. So that's why my name called. But I'm my boy still man. I'm my youth man.
So you did do the DNA test already and find out say you're a youth?
And that way I get clear now. But you know so when me shoot, me not shoot and miss, you know, because me not fire blank. I'm my boy, I'm my son.
You're loud and clear. Yeah, well, we have to put together the funds them now, because the man them need it now, so we have to put together that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, I'm going to start out that thing, but you know, I am so shaky, you know, because remember saying we're not afraid of people and people afraid of we, you know. So I am afraid, so them can't afraid too.
Now have the time for fret, brother. Business are business, and you don't know, so we're a principal man. So we just want to send on the funds by the time where them say for send it on and the time pass already, so time for get some funds to put in at them on when I time them. Copy?
Yeah, but never line it up still, but just take it easy. You know what I mean? Don't kill off yourself.
We don't have the time for do that, man. When I believe in a suicide. I got on time, you know. So just put together the funds and make us send it off right away when I time them. Copy?
Yeah, the general. Never have to the bank.
Alright, Mr. 40. One.